Hi student, I think now most of you will be very confused regarding this finding multiple unknown in a single equation. Which method should I approach, or which method is safer, which method is shorter, which method is better? So that's why I come up with this to explain how do we select. So for example here, should I apply the compare coefficient method or subnumber method, or we use a combination of both the method? So I'll showcase two approach. So for example, first approach, only sub number approach. So for example here, how we know which number to sub in? We look for any linear expression inside any bracket. So for this example, there's a linear expression x minus 2. So we must think of a number to make x minus 2 become 0, so that my unknown a is gone. So let x equals to 2. So I'll have b equals to 5 minus 3 times 2. So I'll have negative 1. Then student will continue substituting in. They know that there's no more linear expression in any bracket, so they'll sub 0, which I told you can, but very risky. Why? Let me explain. So let x equals to 0. A bracket 0 minus 2 plus. Imagine we found b wrongly in the first step. So we found b is maybe 7. You can see here, then my 5 will be 3 times 0. Then my a will be wrong also. So instead, okay, which means that if we continue to sub number, my b have a chance to get it wrong if my a will have a chance to get it wrong if my b is wrong. So be mindful. So let's go and find first. So my a equals to negative 3. Okay. So if we use a combination of method, for example, first one to find b, I still let x equals to 2. So my b equals to 5 minus 3 times 2. I still get equal negative 1. Then when it comes to finding a, because there's no more linear expression inside the bracket, I will choose to compare. Why? Okay, compare what? You can see the a times the x. So you can choose to compare coefficient of x. Why not compare other things? I'll explain later. So compare coefficient of x. Okay, I'll have a, and this negative 3, a equals to negative 3. Then why I don't compare other coefficient, other thing? I can, but also risky. Why? I won't choose to compare constant, because if I compare constant, so compare constant, it will become negative 2a plus b equals to 5. I don't use this. Why? Because I don't want to use my b answers to find a. I'm worried that my b I find wrongly, then it will cause my a to be wrong. So you'll need to consider, okay, when we do questions, we don't blindly solve. Got it?